on this episode of Guest Chef Challenge.
We're serving 81 people.
Just have to be careful on the serving so we don't run out.
They're not big enough. I mean, they can put 2 on them.
Hi, where it's cooking.
No, simple fact.
Another evening at Shadow Mountain.
Give me a second here so I can find them.
Nice and hot.
Yeah, I said I got it.
Debating whether to do a half or a third.
So you'll let me know what you need.
Convection oven blowing the tops off of some of them.
3 tomatoes. What do you think? Does that sound good?
For Rose, Robin, Sharon, and Titus, cooking is more than just survival as they ply their gourmet skills for select groups with a delectable array of fresh ingredients for both vegetarians and meat lovers alike. But tonight things will be different because this talented foursome is about to meet the demand of mass quantities for a large group of paying guests at Shadow Mountain Restaurant in Sunsites, Arizona. Can they pull it off? We'll find out on Guest Chef Challenge.